Hi, my name is Raphael Uziel, and this is my final project for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. What I decided to do was build a quiz game app that teachers can use in their classes to make reviewing or teaching more fun. So on this window, I'm going to play the role of a teacher. Um, and so let me log in. And here the teacher can create new games, add new questions to their games, and edit all of those things, as well as begin to actually play the game. On this section, which is the game control, this is where I can actually send questions and broadcast it to all the students, and then the students can answer the questions. On this window, I'm going to play the role of the student. Students do not really log in. They just choose their teacher, and then they choose any name that they wish for their team or their own name. And here I'm going to send out a question, and the student is going to answer this one correctly. I'm going to send out the next question, also correct. And I'm going to send out this last question, and this one, this student will get it wrong. And at the end, I can end the game, and that will show the students immediately what their results were. And I can also see the results here as well. The code turned out to be for the quiz.py, the main section, about 700 lines. So I broke it up into sections. The first section is where teachers log in, register, log out. So let's go to the next section, which is the game creation section, where teachers can obviously create games and let's see, and edit games as well, and add new questions. The next section is the student view, where students can basically kind of log in. It also provides for their views, as well as adding new students. The game control section is where the teacher can control, obviously, the game, and this is the controls the view for that particular page, and as well as the view while the play is happening that the student sees, and that's on this section here. Next is the most important part, which is the socket section, where we can either play games and send out questions, or at the end of the game calculate results and show the results. Ending the game happens here, as well as students or teachers joining particular rooms. And the room name is just the teacher's name, as well as students can log out over here. And showing the results, this is the views that obviously show the results, and then finally show the student scores. And the end game section is where obviously the games are ended. It was a very challenging course, and thank you very much for watching.